The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest thing. He is the one that gets the people to the greatest thing. A very warm and delighted morning to our distinguished management, beloved principal, teachers, and my dear friends. It's my pleasure to invite you all to this memorable ceremony. My best regards to everyone present here. Now I would like to extend a warm welcome to our chairman, Mr. Riaz Khan sir, Madam Chairman, Mrs. Yasmin Ma'am, who always extend their support in achieving our heights. I welcome our President, Dr. Noor Khan sir, Madam Vice President, Dr. Tarana Ma'am. We are indeed grateful for your gracious presence. I welcome our matric principal, Ma'am, Sayeda Nikhat Ma'am. I am grateful to welcome our principal, Dr. P. Sarulakshmi Ma'am, who is the great guidance for our school. I would also like to welcome parents who constantly supported us and believed in us. Let me welcome our respected teachers who take constant efforts for the development and learning in students. Last but not the least, I would welcome our ISI blooming students who are all set to make this ceremony a remarkable one. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ajra. I call upon our coordinator, Mr. Sadat sir, to explain the mode of e-election, which was a giant leap. Over to sir.
Morning to one present here. We always believe in providing a platform to develop leadership qualities among our students, encourage them to be more responsible, make right choices in life, do their best, and treat everyone with respect. Indo Sunrise International School went to polls on 1st July 2022. The following procedures were followed in electing the cabinet members. After we decided that the school cabinet will be elected through online, the class teachers were asked to nominate the students in different categories. Head boy, head girl, and sports captains were nominated from class 10. Cultural captain and captains of our various houses, Kite House, Eagles House, Shift House, and Falcons House were nominated from class 9. And the vice captains of the various houses were nominated from grade 8. Next, the students had to face a personal interview with the panel under the watchful eyes of the principal. Finally, on 1st July 2021 at 3 p.m., all the students from grade 5 to 10th and the teachers of Indo Sunrise International School casted their vote through online system. Total of 100 students participated in the election process. The result of the elections was very fast as we use an app called Forms app. The result was announced on 3rd July 2021 by the principal. It is indeed a moment of great pride for us and also to the students who will be formally invested with the responsibilities during the investor ceremony. Wishing them all the very best in the future endeavors. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for explaining wonderfully the process of e-election. How our school cabinet members were shortlisted after a virtual interaction with our principal, ma'am. Now, let us witness the march past ceremony of our cabinet members, followed by our house captains and vice captains with pride and sense of leadership quality. was a wonderful alertness and good coordination. Next is the most cherishing moment, eagerly waited by all of us, is a badging ceremony. I request Dr. Nurkant sir to honor our newly elected cabinet. First, I call the newly elected head boy, our school, Muzaffar Khan. He is a multifaceted personality who believes that success is the sum of effort repeated day in and day. He is a passionate learner with the potential of breathing life into aspiration. We wish him good luck.
Right hand.
Thank you, sir. Walking proudly is Shabnam Khanna to take over as a head girl. She is an enthusiastic person who has a curiosity and eager to learn many things. She is actively involved in various activities conducted by our school. Has Henley's words, I am the master of my fate and the captain of my soul. I request Mrs. Yasmin ma'am to. Life becomes boring without entertainment. Here we have Saida Sainab Fatima, elected as Cultural Secretary of our school.
Both also. Video. Library.
Wish her good luck. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I request Madam Nikit ma'am to honor the house captains. Pledging to take Kite House captain to its zenith, I request Tania Shafia to step forward to receive the badge. She actively participates in competition and has represented our school with Lawrence. Next item is Ayman Fatima, Vice President, Captain. Her motto in life is winners don't do different things, but they do things differently.
Ayman.
Following the track is Arbia, captain of Swift. A conscientious student, she is an active member of various clubs. Is requested to receive badge. She was admired for her commendable performance. Sakiba Sultana of Eagle House. She combines scintillating intelligence with refreshing spontaneity. Best wishes to you, Sakiba Sultana.
Again, go and take rest.
My name is Athana. I'm nominated as Eagle House Vice Captain.
He worked with dedication and love.
Let him take rest.
It is Kitana of Factor House. She believes in delivering her best on every occasion. She aspires to be a role model to others.
Continuous support is required for us.
Priya ma'am is very impressive and amazing. Adventurers, Mrs. Vishwani, captain of Sweet House, to receive the badge.
Congratulations. Long support is required for the development of this club. God bless you. Adventurous type. That's what I gave her that badge.
Thank you, ma'am, to receive the badge.
Children, clap, no?
House to receive the badge.
Constant support is required in all our endeavors. Okay? God bless you. Thank you, ma'am. All the best.
Taking oath, sir.
Hold all the flags together. All the flags. Children, this is a very important ceremony. As you all are elected as the student council cabinet members, this oath, it is not only simply talking only towards your mouth. You need to prove yourself. You need to work hard for the development of the school. I would request you all to repeat the pledge after me. We, the Student Council of Indo Sunrise International School,
Sada, sir.
for the academic year 2021 and 22,
Mike.
hereby solemnly pledge to uphold and follow the rules and regulations set by our school.
We promise to be worthy
Top bearers of our beloved school by adhering to the values of honesty, perseverance, teamwork, and service before self.
we commit ourselves
To the principles
of person
in all we do. We vow to respect our school, property, and the nation's larger environment in leading our fellow students on the path of accountability. Above all, we pledge to strive in the spirit of excellence in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities so that we may keep the flag of Indo Sunrise International School always flying high. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request our Honorable Dr. Nurkant Sir, President of Indo Sunrise International School, to address the gathering.
Warm, misty, very good weather. Not so hot also. You people were in your house almost with a very big, long vacation of your life, 1.5 years. The first time after 1.5 years, you people have come in the sunlight. Hope. We'll pray. This virus will vanish from this world and we all will join in this campus as our old days will come back. We'll pray for that. We will see all our students with these charming faces. We'll see together. I wish all the leaders best of luck, and with this your flag holding, we'll all participate in all the coming events.
Sir, for your motivational and inspirational words, which will lead our school to the pinnacle of glory. Last but not the least, I request Shabnam Khanam of Grade 10 to propose vote of thanks.
A great leader's courage to do things come from passion, not position. Good morning to our respected management members, principal, teachers, to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Indo Sunrise International School and Student Council of 2021 and 22 on this significant day. First of all, I thank the Almighty for making this event a resounding success. My sincere thanks to our management members spending their valuable time to grace the occasion. I would like to extend my thanks for Dr. P. Sarulakshmi ma'am, the principal of this esteemed institution, who continue to inspire us to come with zeal and dedication. Behind every successful program lies manifold efforts of our committed faculty. I would like to take a moment to thank their support staff of the school for their immense contribution. Finally, it is important that we should acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our parents. Once again, a big thank to each and everyone present here. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Shabnam. Now, I would request everyone to raise for national anthem.